Auntie Apple.
Wait, say it again.
Hi, Auntie Apple.
I'm making this for you.
I'm making this for you.
I hope you like it.
I hope you like it.
Tell her how you're making it. What do you do?
I'm painting.
Mm-hmm. How do you do it?
You dip the brush into the water.
Mm-hmm.
You dab it, dab it, dab it. And you get more paint. You do it this and you paint.
Beautiful.
And you dip it in the water and you dab, dab, dab. And you dab, 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 dab. And you get cover. And you paint. You dip.
And then once you're all done with it and we let it dry, we'll put it in the mail and we'll send it to Auntie Apple. And then when she opens it, what do you think she'll say?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Do you see the brush?
I see it.
You don't see the brush.
Oh, it's hiding.
There's the brush.
Can you sign your name on the painting?
It has signed my name on the page.
Can you write Big Brother Ollie? Do you know how to write that?
I can't.
Can you write a big O? You know how to do a big O, big circle?
Some of green. And the bit. What was that, Mama?
No, something outside.
Some more green.
Ooh, lots of green.
And dab it.